Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor. First trading day of the new year. Talking precious metals, specifically gold. The rally continues in gold. Gold up about another 0.5% today. This is now the second month in a row that gold is closed up. December closing up, November closing up. Obviously January starting with an up day. Got a long way to go toward the end of the month, but we've also been up 12 of the last 14 days, and we are now well above 1,300. We reached above 1,316 today on the high side of things, again getting to about up 0.5% on the close. Dollar slump has a decent amount to do with what we're seeing. The dollar index is now at a 3-month low. The dollar has an inverse relationship to gold. As the dollar falls, gold gets higher in value. We've seen a lot of that play out, and again, the Federal Reserve has not come in at any point. Granted, we had a holiday period and we just had a rate hike in December, but they've still been talking about caution in terms of their rate policy and in terms of raising interest rates and continuing to remove accommodation. Nothing has gotten more aggressive, although the ECB today did get a little more aggressive. There were several speakers from the ECB over the weekend and into this morning talking about the potential for pulling back that QE come September, and then even looking at the rate picture earlier than 2019, boosted the euro, pushed the dollar lower, pushed gold, or at least put the floor of gold a little bit higher than it's been as of late. Geopolitics also playing a little bit of a part in gold with the protests we've seen in Iran. Again, remember, Iran is a nation state, so as protests sparked in one city, they're likely to spark in others because they all have the same problems. Local government do not have a lot of broad-based powers to affect the lives of the population. We'll see if the working middle class joins into this protest and it actually becomes something that gold would respond to. But the protests are adding support to gold. They're definitely keeping that floor a little more solid than it would normally be. The violence has simply been between the Iranian government and the Iranian people. About 20 or so dead so far, has not spread, but it does look like it has the hallmarks of Saudi Arabia, and that speculation will continue to grow if the protests get larger and more aggressive. And again, if the middle class joins, there could theoretically be talk of support from Saudi Arabia, and the geopolitical sort of picture backdrop could get a little bit hotter. That could spike gold up to the 320, 325 area. This is Bob Iaccino talking gold futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.